Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on the Hapa Kristin Secretive Kristin Basic. Now, we have the original Secretive Kristin, then we have the Secretive Kristin Plus, which is the larger version, and now they have released this basic one, which is the smallest one out of the entire collection. So let's get the video started. The diameter for this is the same as all the other Secretive collection, where it is 14.2 as the overall diameter. But what really matters is the graphic diameter, which is the one that is apparent on the eye and how it looks like, and the graphic diameter for this actually 11.6, which is very different from the original Secretive Kristin. At the moment, the duration for this basic ones are 1 month, which means that they cost $25.99 and they last for a month. In terms of the color options, they have released the olive and the brown, which I'm sure is probably, one of the most popular colors, hence why they did olive and brown rather than brown and black, but I'm happy with that. And in terms of what is different, like the easiest way to put it is that with this basic one, there's no outline compared to normal Secretive Kristin. And what I mean by that is that with the original Secretive Kristin, you get that crescent moon at the bottom and then color on top, and then you get a border as well to actually emphasize the crescent moon more. But when it comes with this basic one, it really gives you more of that really natural look, like super natural, as if like you're wearing clear contact lens but giving you a little bit of that color to just make your eyes much more brighter and nicer looking, I guess. And that's how I see it personally. What I really like about this is that with this particular collection is that I know some of you guys are concerned about how the crescent actually just moves around and it's very obvious on the eyes. But when it comes to these two colors, if the crescent move around, it still looks really natural and doesn't look obvious, because there's no outline, and I guess the outline doesn't make it focus of the inside, if that makes sense. So like when this turns around, it's not bothersome, it won't bother you, it still look like your eyes just look very natural looking. However, if you want the crescent to pop out more, this won't be it for you. The original Secretive Kristin will be much more obvious compared to this one. This one I think solely just focus for those who just want a little bit of color, don't want to put any makeup on, but you want your eyes to look really pretty and dreamy. This would be it. So at the moment I am wearing the olive one, so we might as well talk about it a little bit more. But this olive one is the same thing, where the focus is the crescent moon shape and the crescent moon just falls at the bottom. And this one is the same as the Secretive Kristin olive, where the bottom is like a really nice apple jade green shade, and on the top is like a combination of grey black, which gives you a really nice gradient, but the focus is on the bottom. Then you have the brown one, which I think amongst these two, I actually prefer the brown one for this collection because of how they're trying to perceive this contact lens. And the way I see it is that they wanted to make it look very natural. So when it comes to this brown one, at the bottom you get that golden brown shade for the crescent moon, and on top you get that dark brown. And when you put it together, and I feel like because my natural eye color is already like dark brown / black, it sort of gave me like a natural outline on the outer part, and somehow when putting it all together, it just looks really nice, and I really like it. Like, I like that it looks very natural, and when the crescent moon move around, I actually like it more because it just makes my eyes look very dreamy and very natural brown, which I really like compared to like my natural eyes, if that makes sense. So if I have to pick, like if I can only choose like clear contact lens with color, I would definitely choose that brown one, because yeah, it doesn't give me any enlarging effect, unfortunately, which I'm not used to. I definitely love my enlarging effect, but the brown one is definitely very pretty, and I feel like it's much more prettier than this olive one. So my overall thoughts is that if you guys don't like any enlarging contact lens, I would definitely give this one a try, because as I know a lot of you guys, some of you guys don't like any enlarging contact lens, so this would be a great try. If you feel like the original Secretive Kristin is still too big of a diameter for you, this would be a great step to actually get this, because you still get that crescent moon effect but not so obvious in a way, but more natural. I don't know how many times I've said natural in this video, but that's how I see it. But if I have to pick between the basic and the natural Secretive Kristin, I would still choose the natural Secretive Kristin, just because I'm the type that love more of a obvious contact lens and more of the enlarging effect, just because I'm just used to it. Like, I love that kind of diameter, that kind of effect. But again, this is actually a very great addition to the family, and I like that they're expanding all this option for those who love smaller diameter, normal enlarging diameter, and super enlarging diameter, which if you guys haven't watched that, definitely watch my thought, because yeah, that one is actually massive. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.